Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below, and press notification bell all para updated po kayo sa lahat ng aking video. For today's vlog guys, ayan, meron tayong apat na recipe. Ang una ay ang ating pork ribs. Ayan. So yummy with sweet sauce. Ayan, ang una nating recipe guys. And ang pangalawa nating recipe ay ang fried fish. Ayan, fried fish. Sarap sauces sili at saka sauce with calamansi. At ang ating pangatlong recipe guys, yung stir fried broccoli with carrots and tauki.